Oh hey there YouTube, what's going on? It's your neighborhood redneck back at you again. And today, we're going to be ditching my Galaxy Note 20 here and going straight over to the new S22 Ultra. Just got it in. Let's get it unboxed, check it out. Alright, so the S22 Ultra, here it is. So without further ado, let's get it unboxed. Pre-ordered mine first day that they would let me, and didn't expect to see it until Friday, but here it is. Showed up early, so I got mine in the Mystic White, I think they called it. Oh, Phantom White. So there it is. These are 6.43 inches, I believe, screen space. It's about the same size as the Note 20. So, oh, look at that. Got mine in the white, like I said, just beautiful. Triple lens camera here. That'll be freaking handy. Got the silver aluminum here on the side. Got your typical USB-C, micro SD card slot, or SIM slot, both maybe. I don't know what's on this phone exactly. Got your S Pen. It's kind of heavy. I like it though. It's got a great feel to it. Good weight. I like those light phones. See what else we get in the box here real quick before we check out the rest of this phone. Got your SIM remover tool here. It's like your typical USB-C to USB-C data cable from Samsung. Of course, they're not going to give you a fast charge brick anymore in the box. Yada yada yada. Gotta be like Apple, environmentally friendly over there. That's it for the box. Pretty slim, compact. So this bad boy here has got a 5,000 milliamp battery. Lasts you about 12 days on standby. So that's pretty awesome. You got 4G and 5G. And then these cameras here, you got a 108 megapixel wide angle. That's going to be awesome. And then for the front, got a 40 megapixel in there. So that'll be handy. Android 12, of course. I think it's One UI 4.0. I do believe. We'll get this bad boy fired up and set up, and we'll check it out. So here they are, the Note 20 and the S22 Ultra here on the left, side by side. The Ultra is just a little bit longer there. It's also a little bit thicker than my Note 20 was. I like the design though. Looks really good and clean. Very elegant. Let's get the rest of this plastic peeled off here, like so. Got some all the way around this outer edge of aluminum here on the housing, which is nice that they protect it for you. Shipping, you know how them delivery drivers are. Alright. I love the way they design these cameras here on the back. I love just the 3 circles. They don't protrude that far, but they do a little bit. Looks like they protrude inside the ring itself, so it protects the glass a little bit, but not much. It's hard to see there. Alright, well, I gotta transfer my files over. Alright, folks. Got it all done. Side note, I like this back finish here. This white I noticed doesn't leave any fingerprints, and it's not real slick. It's got a little bit of grip to it, you can feel. Display 120 Hertz, super fast, and display fingerprint reader works excellent. Can't complain. We are on Android 12, One UI 4.1. there it is. But the display, so much faster and more vibrant than my Note 20. This 120 Hertz is super smooth. So, great phone, great finish. The S Pen, you would think it would be all chrome here. Unfortunately, it's not. Just the pop out button is, and then it's just black. But it feels like it's been rubber coated, kind of. It's kind of soft. Of course, you got the button. And remember, when you remove your SIM card, do not poke out this one next to it here. That's not the release button. You're just going to poke out the microphone mesh probably. So, there they are. Put a link in the description. You know where you can find them. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you have. Catch you on the next one.